The temperatures in Texas change daily. They can hit triple digits during the summer or single digits in the winter. To help ensure that heating and air conditioning units are running correctly, HVAC technicians are always on call, no matter what time of day or night. Texas State Technical College's HVAC program will teach you how to restore heating and cooling to everyone. Your training will include electricity and refrigeration principles, troubleshooting, and the installation and repair of commercial and residential systems. You will have access to industry standard labs at our Abilene, Williamson County, Fort Bend County, Harlingen, North Texas, or Waco locations. These labs are home to high-efficiency commercial and residential heating and air conditioning equipment, heat pumps, commercial refrigeration equipment, and a 200-ton chilled water system. With faster-than-average job growth, this career is a solid bet. Texas shows a 21% increase in the need for HVAC mechanics and installers through 2030. And that means great-paying jobs will be available for years to come.